In this video, I will tell you how to make this type of wallpaper.
È arrivata in Australia, la nuova compagnia telefonica dell'italiano.
Let's go guys. Open your browser and search Canva. Now click on custom size, select your ratio 1280 and 720. Now create new design and you will land on this page. First, you need to remove your color to dark gray. Now click on elements, search frame, click on frame, see all and type S. Now select your font as you like and search U, and now you can search R and select this one, and F. I will select this one. Now you can arrange this one. Click on search tab and search blue sea. Now select this one. Now uh select this one and one more for the background of us. That's it. Now you will go to position, layers, and move this back of the alphabet. Now we move fast. Now you can arrange this as your project. I will do smaller and search all this type of themes as your behind the alphabets. That's it. This is almost done. But the alphabet is not saying clear. Now we search transparent gradient. Now we choose this one. Now adjust this. Go to flip and flip vertical. Now the alphabet are not seeing well, so go to position and transparent gradient, move to the behind the letters. Now this is seeing very beautiful, so go to search tab and search surf. Now customize your wallpaper as you like. That's it, you're almost done. Now the wallpaper is almost done. Thanks for watching. Bye.